Hello everyone, and welcome to Cassie's Kitchen Creations. And as you know, I'm Cassie. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day. Well, today we're going to do another no-bake. Okay, so we're going to make some Snickerdoodle cream cheese dip. Since everybody seems to like the cream cheese peanut butter balls, we're going to stick with cream cheese. So today we're going to do some Snickerdoodle cream cheese dip. It doesn't take long to make it, very quick, but it is a very delicious dip. And you can serve this with vanilla wafers. You can serve it with any type of fruit that you would like. I'm going to serve mine with these Biscoff cookies. So that also goes well with cream cheese. So come along, let's get started. So you want to do an 8-ounce block of Philadelphia, of any brand of cream cheese. I had to get what I had locally today. So I have my cream cheese. You're allowed to come to room temperature. So I'm going to place that in my blender. And also you can cut this in half and do a 4-ounce block if you want to do half the dip. I'm going to do an 8-ounce. Right? So next thing you want to do is add your plain Greek yogurt. And this is going to be non-fat. So you want to add 2/4 cup of the yogurt. You just got to find a little lift on it. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm just going to scoop this out. And if you do half, of the like 4 ounces of cream cheese, then you do only 1/4 of your non-fat yogurt. But like I said, I'm going to do the 8-ounce. So I'm going to do 2/4. All right. So that's the yogurt. The next thing I'm going to add is going to be my powdered sugar and also my brown sugar. And the powdered sugar is going to be 2/4 cup, so I need to rinse this out. So with the powdered sugar, I'm going to need 2/4 cup. And I would seal my bag back up. All right. So we'll just scoop this out. Okay, and the next thing we're going to add is going to be light brown sugar. So if you use 1/4 cup, you only have to use 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. But if you use the 8-ounce block of cream cheese, you have to use 4. All right. So I have my brown sugar, powdered sugar, cream cheese, and also my plain yogurt all in my mixer. So what I want to do now is I want to mix this. All right. So I'm just going to start it off slow. And I guess it does help to plug it in, right? All right, so I'm going to start it off slow. But if you want to use a hand mixer to beat this, you can. And so I'm just going to allow this to all combine, uniform, become one mix. And while this is mixing, I'm going to put my yogurt back in the refrigerator. also going to put my powdered sugar up because I don't need it anymore. So now I'm going to just ramp the speed up a little. And this is going to take a minute. So while this is smoothing out and becoming creamy, I'm just going to place you on a brief pause. And then when it's ready to add the next ingredients, I'll bring you back into the mix. So hang tight. Okay, everyone. We're going to add the next 2 ingredients. And you want to whip it until it's like creamy. So next we're going to add the vanilla extract, and of course, you know, I'm using Watkins vanilla, and we're also going to add cinnamon. Now when it comes to the ground cinnamon, you can add as much or as less as you would like, because this is where you are going to add the cinnamon to your taste. The recipe calls for 3/4 teaspoon per 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon in here for now. This is usually what I do because I also sprinkle some on the top of mine. That is optional. So you add the cinnamon based on your taste. Now, you know me. When I add cinnamon, I always add ginger as well. So with the ginger, I'm not going to add a teaspoon. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of the ginger. Right. Right. So now I'm going to allow these two to mix, and then I'm going to add my vanilla extract. So while this is blending, I will put you on a brief pause so you don't have to listen to it beating, and I'll bring you back in when it's time to add the vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're down to the vanilla extract. So you want to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and again with that cinnamon, 1 teaspoon is enough for me, and then I sprinkle a little on the top to garnish it. But at that point, I would suggest that you add a 1/2 teaspoon, taste it, and then if that's not enough cinnamon, you add about 1/4 teaspoons until you get to the taste that you like, and then you will know if it's right, if that's the right taste for you. So we're gonna get this mixed and well combined, and I'll place you on a pause, and when we're ready, I'll bring you back in. So hang tight. Alright guys, so I'm going to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl as usual and get everything folded in. And also I'm going to scrape it from the bottom. I just want to make sure that all of my cream cheese is mixed well. I want everything to be in the mixing bowl. And as I told you before, you know you have to scrape down the sides of the beater, because this one has the plastic coating on it where it actually makes sure it scrapes the side of the mixing bowl well. Right? And you know cream cheese is gonna stick to it. But everything seems to have gotten a really good mix. So I'm quite impressed with this little beater that I have here. So we're going to mix it for a few more minutes. And while it's mixing again, I'll put you on a pause, bring you back in when we're ready to do the taste. So hang tight. Okay guys, this is the final product. It's very smooth and very creamy. Of course, you can see the cinnamon that I mixed in. And as you can see, I have now garnished it with just a little sprinkle of cinnamon to top it off. And this step is optional. And I'm going to serve it with sliced apples, blueberries, and the Biscoff cookies. Okay, everyone, it's time to do the taste test. So we're just going to take a little bit off, place it on our Biscoff cookie, spread it around. It's really good. I have the right amount of cinnamon and the right twist of ginger. It's just how I like it. Then we're going to put it on the apple slice. Really good. Then we'll place a lot of it on the blueberry, because the blueberry is small. Really good. Now, one thing about this is that you can serve this as soon as you prepare it, or you can place it in the refrigerator and chill it, which is what I'm going to do, and then you can serve it chilled. And it's delicious either way you serve it. You can serve it with your cinnamon graham crackers, vanilla wafers, the Biscoff cookies. If you make your own cookies, sugar cookies, a peanut butter cookie with cream cheese. Oh yes. Oatmeal raisin cookies. The possibilities are just endless, as I always say. You have to think out of the box and get very creative. You can serve it with blueberries, blackberries, sliced apples, and these were the Granny Smith apples. You can serve it with your raspberries, pineapple chunks, you name it. Any fruit, mango will work well. So this is one of those versatile dishes that's very simple. You can place it with fruit for your kids for a snack. You can serve it at a luncheon. You can take it to any kind of party. You can fix it for the holidays, or you can fix it on any given day of the year just because, right? So no special reason to prepare a dip. It's always one of those items that goes perfect with everything. So thanks, guys, for coming along with me on this no-bake of the cream cheese dip. And I hope that you will try it and that it will be just as delicious as the one I've tried, that I've prepared. Too bad I can't box it up and ship it to you. Hopefully one day I'll be at that point. So thanks for coming along with me on this no-bake. As always, I greatly appreciate you. If you are a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. If you just strolled by and something caught your attention and you just wanted to take a peek, thanks. And we also would like for you to like the videos, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And as always, we never know what people are going through from day to day. We don't know what trials, what tribulation, what toils, what problems, what issues they're dealing with. So let's greet everyone with a positive smile, a warm, friendly hello, good morning, how's your day, have a blessed day. And we hope that that's the gift that keeps on giving, because we have to remain focused, we have to remain positive, we have to remain enlightened, encouraged, inspired, and motivated so that we can pass those on to others. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I will see you guys on the next bake, no bake, prep, DIY, apothecary, and my phone keeps moving. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed one